Lean back. Good. Sinking in.
I feel fine.
Again, in. Good. Out.
Around for the rest of today's video, we've got an action-packed video from some of your favorite chiropractors. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Well, I recently injured myself lifting something, and I have a little bit of sciatica and seem to have kind of messed up my lower back here. I have lower back pain all the time from working on my feet as well.
Okay. You excited? Nervous?
I'm really excited.
Let's do an exam on your spine. Yeah, coming up, there's a little bit of antalgic gait, avoiding the left, away from the left side, and then one more time, turn around and go back that way. And so there's a little bit of heat coming off of the lower left lumbar, but really the right side is almost S3.
Yep, on the left.
That one.
Yeah.
This is edema. Let's do this. Just looking here, you have just the slightest little curvature. And then we've got a lower on the right posterior inferior, looking from the top, slightly rounder, externally rotated PIEX right. Okay, any increase in pain in your left leg, left hip?
A little bit tenderness, but nothing dramatic.
Okay, leg raiser. I'm gonna bend your toes this way. First, just so you can kind of feel what it's like. Not pushing yet, but I'm gonna follow your breath down like this. At the end of your breath, sinking in, let the shoulders relax. Let's go, let it go. Okay, nice. Deep breath in, all the way in far as you can go. Good, and out. Okay, I'm gonna move your head over to the side. Just kind of like...
That was so good.
Good. Okay, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Go, let the shoulder come up. Very good. We're gonna bring the hip down.
Same.
So we're gonna bring 2 inches, 3 inches down. Here's the acetabular ridge. Nice, gentle, deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. We're gonna bring your hip down just a little bit. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Other way. Good. Perfect. Lean back.
This one felt a little bit more force, but still good.
Turn your head to the right, left, back to center. Okay, again to the right.
Yep. Tender.
See this right here?
Mm-hmm.
And this is related to your sacrum all the way down low where we're working on that issue. I'm going to do some motion here. Just let your head sink in, let it go. Good, there it is, right there. Okay, so we're going to adjust your neck on the... Good, sinking in.
I feel fine, but based on what... Hurts more the further up you go, though.
Okay. Okay, nice and gentle breathing, just like that. Same thing again. In. Good, out. And out. Good, we're gonna lift your head up. Good. And pull this out.
Like it went to about here, but like I even felt like a pop in my shoulders almost.
Okay, gentle. Let it go. Good. Go, let this go.
I know.
Is that usual?
Yeah, I mean, it's that kitchen habit. Like, you go in, you slam coffee till like noon, you know, sample a couple things, and then around like 3-4 is when I get my lunch, actually.
Okay, so you're almost there.
That's where it's tender.
So hold this to your nose and take 10 deep breaths.
What is this?
It's an essential oil blend.
Like a solid 11 in there for good luck. Like, it feels more full on this side of my body than it does on the right. Like I have a permanent chill right now.
How's the tenderness here?
It's It's really not bad at all.
Tender?
Yeah, a little bit.
Let's do a trigger point here. Breathe in. Out. Breathe, keep breathing. Breathe. Breathe, breathe in. One more.
As painful as it was when you did the pressure points, I definitely did feel like relief throughout my whole body though. Like the area hurt, but the rest of me wasn't tense.
Pain?
There. Oh my god.
Now through your mouth. Good, now let everything sink in. Let your shoulders sink. Good, let your hips sink. Let it go.
That was crazy.
Good, let the shoulders down. How's that? Is it still tender?
Not as bad. That feels good.
Okay. Okay, this one's a little bit different. This time we're going to push at the top of your breath, okay? It's releasing. Good. Super deep. Good. Deep breath in. And out. Come all the way down, good. Now let it go. Let it go.
Yeah.
Turn your head and face straight that way. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring your hips down to like here and then give a little push like that, okay? A little bit of a... Okay, take a nice soft breath in, out. Good, let your shoulders relax and just kind of let this come down. Good, gentle. There's more, hold on. Perfect. We're gonna bring this up to here like this. Okay, good, nice and gentle here.
Oh my god.
Okay, so for the next one, what I'm gonna do is bring your head down to it right about there. Okay. Gentle, good. Just kind of let everything relax. Good. Breathe out.
Oh my god.
Characteristics of alpha dominance.
That's good.
I bet. Thanks. Plates are here.
Mm-hmm. Plates are along here.
Okay. Just kind of want to let that relax. Let both of them relax. Good. How does it feel? Give me some words.
You are a miracle worker.
It's just chiropractic.
That's
It's not-
insane. Oh my god. I haven't been able to like bend down in years and it not hurt.
Yeah, you had a pretty rough time bending down and touch your toes when we did the scoliosis check.
Yeah.
We'll probably take another look at it. Let's do that one more time, actually.
On the left is the pre-adjustment still shot. You can see the high